placenta, and I do a special technique for people after accidents. And I wanted to show you that technique. If you have pain here, or is this tender at all when I touch here or here? And I'm touching the sacroiliac joints, and she's got some pain and tenderness in those SI joints. And I've done a careful examination for her, including a history, including x-rays. And I'm beginning to align her spine. Would you mind turning your face to the right? Turn your face to the right. Does that hurt? Does it hurt to get adjusted? People want to know. No.
No.
Put your head back in the middle. Thank you so much. And I'm feeling with my hands for any deviation in the spine. And I'm gently realigning the spine using a handheld instrument that has the same frequency of the human body. About 40 hertz is our frequency. So I'm using the same harmonic to gently realign her spine, and it's a method that's virtually painless, and it's a terrific way of getting over whiplash. And this lady was involved in an accident, and I'm aligning her spine. And after an accident, you can imagine you don't feel like going through a great range of motion with your neck. So this way of adjusting gently realigns the vertebrae with virtually no discomfort. And I'm working on her shoulder muscles to relax the shoulders, because we have a lot of tension there. We hold a lot of tension in the shoulder area. And I'm working with my hands, and I'm finding deviations of the spine from the accident. Where the spine is deviated, I'm gently realigning the vertebrae and realigning the ribs as well. And I'm feeling down her spine, feeling the various articulations or joints of the spine, and making sure they move properly. And I'm feeling for inflammation and swelling with my hand. Where there's inflammation or swelling, I'm gently realigning the spine and instilling motion, which is critical to life and health. So that's a very special and different kind of adjustment for the spine. And this is the only proven care for chronic whiplash. This is a very good way to become healthy. And I'm about to lift her up. Is there anything else, though, that you'd like examined today? No. Before I lift you? Here we go. So we have automatic tables that preserve people's postures so that we can examine them and give them a proper adjustment. And if you don't mind, turn this way. What's your name, by the way?
My name is Chantel.
Chantel. How did that feel? People want to know how chiropractic adjustment might feel.
Amazing. After being in an accident, car accident, I went through a lot of pain, a lot of neck pain. I wasn't able to barely move my neck after being in a serious accident. And after coming to chiropractor and getting the treatment by Dr. V, it's been very successful. I feel more comfortable. I'm able to move my joints and my bones and my neck, everything properly. So it's been an amazing experience, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone who's been in a very bad car accident.
And what if they're scared of going to the chiropractor or getting adjusted? What would you tell someone who's really fearful?
If you're ever feeling fearful of that, it's not uncomfortable, it's not painful. You don't go through this huge thing. It's like, I know it's been a lot of people who have been afraid, like, oh, it might hurt, or I might not be able to endure the pressure. But you don't feel any of that when you're getting adjusted with Dr. V.
Hey, thank you so much for the excellent interview. You have an incredible day.
You too.